Hi, it's Roger Pettingell, Sarasota's luxury waterfront property specialist. And when I'm talking property specialist of luxury waterfront, that's what I'm talking about. This is bay frontage on Bird Key on Robin Drive, which is about as rare a commodity as you can find. So we all have become very familiar with Bird Key as being really one of the, if not the top residential communities in Sarasota. It's just so great because it's a real neighborhood feel with wide streets. It's in walking distance to the beach, St. Armand's, or just over the bridge to downtown. And if you're lucky enough to be on a waterfront lot in a location such as this, which oversees all of Sarasota and even the Ringling Bridge, then you're very lucky. And in this case, we have a house that's on 120 foot of water frontage lot. It's over 4,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, an office, and big family spaces that you can come in, you could make it your own, you could use it as it is, and some people are going to see it as a building opportunity. We would love to show it to you, but act fast by calling us at 941-387-1840 or check us out at pettingellprofessionals.com.